Hey folks, how you doing? Mike Moulton here with video number 9 of 20 in our mini foreclosure series of videos. I am in with B Home Solutions in the greater Charlotte, North Carolina area, and we've got this entire set of free 20 video series foreclosure informational videos for you at charlotteforeclosurechallenges.com. So video number 9, we have touched on this in the past. This is going to be a quick video, but this is really how does a short sale look on my credit report versus a foreclosure, and how long until I can purchase another home with a mortgage. And I'm going to give you some other ideas around this too. Um, Basically, we touched on this earlier, but every time you're late on making a payment and it goes past 30 days, a lot of folks don't realize that you really do have 30 days to make your payment before it records late to the credit bureaus. Your lender shows you on your statement, hey, it's due between the 1st and 15th. If it goes past the 15th, there's a late fee. Well, that's just a late fee. That doesn't affect your credit. So don't worry there. If you pay your mortgage on the 29th, you're going to have to pay a late fee, but it won't affect your credit. But here, basically, um, if you can sell your property at a short sale, within these 30, 60, 90, 120 day late marks, it looks a lot better than having a foreclosure on your credit report, and you can recover from it a lot faster. When I say recover, I mean from a credit standpoint. There's a lot of things you can do with credit repair to fix that. Um, Having a selling on the short sale will help you be able to purchase a home, typically in a 2-year time frame on your credit report. And if you're working hard on it, foreclosures on your credit report right now are showing about a 5-year time span you have to wait to be able to purchase another home with a mortgage. So it's really a benefit to go ahead and look at a short sale from a credit perspective and really try to get working on it as soon as you can, rather than letting it. It can be overwhelming when you get behind on payments, but you really should seek professionals that can help you in this situation.
If you enjoyed this information and would like to receive 20 videos of the top questions our clients ask most about foreclosures, as well as a copy of our free report titled The 7 Top Financial Pitfalls Every Homeowner Facing Foreclosure Must Avoid, all that you need to do is go to charlotteforeclosurechallenges.com and enter your name and email address. Thank you.